Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel MS Economic Bytes. I hope that you all are doing extremely well. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Expansion path can be defined as the locus of points of tangency between the isoquant and the isocost line. It is the locus of points of tangency between the isoquant and the isocost line. In the figure, you can clearly see that the OX axis represents factor X and the OY axis represents factor Y. For simplicity, let us assume that factor X is labor and factor Y is capital. You can see in the figure that we have 4 isocost line A, B, C, D, E, F and GH that denotes different labels of outlay of the farm. In the same manner, we have 4 isoquant P1, P2, P3 and P4 which denotes different units of output to be produced by the farm, that is 100, 200, 300 and 400 units of output. Now suppose the farm wants to produce 100 units of output. It is on the isoquant P1. On the isoquant P1 it will produce at point Q1 because the factor combination Q1 is nothing but the list cost combination of factors. It is called list cost combination because at point Q1, the isoquant P1 is tangent to the isocost line AB. So Q1 is called list cost combination of factors. Now if the farm wants to produce more unit, let's say the farm wants to produce 200 units of output, then it will move to point Q2 and it will be on the isoquant P2, the higher isoquant. On isoquant P2, the farm will produce at point Q2 because Q2 is the list cost combination of factor, because at point Q2, P2 is tangent to CD. Similarly, for higher level of output, the farm will move to Q3 and for further higher level of output the farm will move to Q4. So all these points, they are the list cost combination of factors. By joining these list cost combination of factors we get expansion path. Expansion path is also known as scale line because it shows how the entrepreneur will change the quantity of two factors for increasing the output or the scale of production. So just a friendly reminder that if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Your feedback means a lot to us. Thank you, stay tuned and keep learning.